Okay, this is how to bake from high poly to low poly in Substance Painter. So you'll need to go through to File, New, go and select your file. So I'm going to go and find my folder. And this is a current student project. I'm going to go and select the low poly first, because that's what we're going to bake down onto. Click Open. You can make this whatever size you want. I'll make this 2048, which is standard. Then click OK. Let's give it a second. There we are. That all looks all right. Next, go over to Texture Settings. Scroll down with the middle mouse to Bake Mesh Maps. Click on that. Then, same thing again. I'm going to make this 2048. And here is where we click on it and select the high poly. Click Open. Then all we do is go Bake Selected Textures. Again, give it a second. And there you have it. Click OK. And you have a model ready to paint. Hope you enjoyed this video, folks. If you have, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I shall see you in the next video. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye for now.